Konnichiwa! Welcome back to my lesson. After this lesson, you'll be able to say which item is yours when you forget one in a cafe, for example. Based on the basic structure X or Y です。You learn belonging no, number 10,000 to 90,000, and good mental state for learning. Are you ready? This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. Let's begin. 1. Oh, it's mine. Imagine you came to this tea shop and bought some nice green tea. どうもありがとうございます。You say, どうも。Oh, you left casa, umbrella. すみません、お客様。お客様 is customer in this context. はい。これはお客様の傘ですか？これはお客様の傘ですか？ You know これ。Let's break down the underline. お客様の傘 の means the casa which belongs to the お客様. It's like apostrophe and s. Okay, we'll practice this point after the vocabulary section. Let's complete the conversation. Say yes. はい。どうもありがとうございます。いいえ。2. Now, let's learn belongings in Japanese. Repeat after me. 帽子、帽子。カバン、カバン。You can say bag as well, but let's practice カバン here. スマートフォン。In short, スマホ。Okay, let's practice with belonging. No. Say it aloud. Yes. お客様の帽子。お客様のカバン。Now I say, 私の帽子。私 is I, me, and myself. The customer says, Yes. 私のカバン。Okay, let's move on. これはお客様のカバンですか？ Oh, that's not mine. I can't say はい。You say, いいえ、私のじゃないです。いいえ means no. それは is omitted as you know, and here カバン is also omitted. Remember Japanese minimalism from lesson 4? And です becomes じゃないです。Repeat after me. 私のじゃないです。私のじゃないです。You can also say ではありません instead of じゃないです。What is the difference? じゃないです is polite enough and often used in spoken language. ではありません is more polite and more often used in written form. はい、クイズです。これは私の車ですか？いいえ、私のじゃないです。I don't have a car. I just found this in Amsterdam. And you say, Yes, 新井先生のじゃないです。3. Let's learn 10,000 to 90,000. First of all, please check the numbers from 1 to 9,000. Do you remember all? If so, let's move on. For example, 日本のカメラ。これは日本のカメラです。いくらですか？ Oh, big number. Don't worry, this will be the last lesson of numbers in Japanese. It's straightforward. Repeat after me. 1万、2万、3万、4万、5万、6万、7万、8万、9万。Can you try this? Yes. 10万。Excellent. はい、もう一度お願いします。これはいくらですか？ Wonderful! 7万8650円です。Fantastic! Today is the day you mastered Japanese numbers. Okay, today's summary. まとめ。Tell me the new expressions from today. Yes. お客様の belonging. 私の belonging. The daily items. いいえ and X は Y じゃないです。And 10,000 to 90,000. My learning tip for you. I'll talk about Krashen's affective filter hypothesis today. Question: what delay your learning? He mentioned low motivation, anxiety, and low self-confidence. But you already have good motivation because you're watching Japanese lessons on your free time. If you feel anxiety about learning Japanese itself, I recommend you find a good teacher or learning apps which make you feel comfortable with. This is extremely important. Self-confidence. Like you prepare for your big presentation, simply practice until you feel it's easy before a real conversation. This boosts your confidence. As I mentioned on lesson 2, it's like learning sports and just knowledge doesn't help. Please memorize the basic daily items in Japanese. Then, speak a lot on the practice video in a various situation. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. Wow, you did it all! I might add more lessons in the future, but this is the end of part 1. From the next lesson, you'll start part 2. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.